You absolutely cannot miss this. Choosing a high-performance, scalable, and cost-effective security solution in today's market is not easy. Many users are frustrated with incompatible and hard-to-use products when it comes time to upgrade. Today, we're introducing the ACTi S52 Hybrid DVR, CMS, and TV wall solution, a game-changing system that solves these problems. With compatibility for both analog and IP cameras, and an incredibly flexible expansion system, this solution works for any security need, big or small. Let's dive in and uncover this powerful system. The ACTi S52 Hybrid DVR is a high-performance digital video recorder capable of receiving video streams from both analog and IP cameras. This means you can continue using your existing equipment while easily upgrading to IP systems, protecting your investment. Whether you're using just a few analog cameras or planning to expand to a larger system, the S52 seamlessly supports your needs. With flexible configurations for 4, 8, or 16 cameras, the setup is simple and plug-and-play, enabling fast installation without needing specialized technical skills. As your monitoring needs grow from small-scale to larger or multi-site systems, the ACTi CMS system becomes your best friend. With CMS, you can manage multiple hybrid DVR systems from a single centralized platform. This not only boosts efficiency but also makes video retrieval and playback easy, saving you valuable time. Plus, ACTi offers a CMS adapter plugin to ensure smooth data flow between the DVR and CMS, providing seamless integration. Remote monitoring is another standout feature of the ACTi solution. Whether in the office, at home, or on the go, you can access your system via web browser or mobile app, giving you complete control from anywhere. No need to be physically present at the site, monitoring is now at your fingertips. ACTi also offers a budget-friendly TV wall solution that outputs video streams to HDMI-connected displays, providing real-time monitoring without the need for expensive equipment. This setup is both cost-effective and efficient, making it ideal for businesses with limited budgets. In conclusion, ACTi's S52 Hybrid DVR, CMS, and TV wall solutions offer an efficient, flexible, and cost-effective security monitoring system for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're expanding your current setup or starting fresh, ACTi's solution will meet your needs. With flexible camera configurations, centralized management, remote monitoring, and affordable TV wall setups, you'll not only improve monitoring efficiency but also reduce long-term operating costs. If you're interested in ACTi's hybrid DVR and CMS system, visit our official website in the comments below to discover more surprises.